With the 2018 E-Class, Mercedes-Benz cut stashing assumes that don't cut corners for space or quality. With picks up long, width, and wheelbase in this age, the 2018 Mercedes E-Class doles out loads of grown-up measured space to run with its hardened grown-up estimated sticker prices. Your two-entryway experience will shift. In view of our opportunity spent in all the distinctive E-Classes, we think of a quality score of 9. Cars and wagons have brilliant front and back seat space, and great trunk space which transforms into superb load space in wagons. The two entryways? They're sufficiently agreeable for 4, yet convertibles typically have the minimum shoulder and baggage space. Cars and wagons. The inclination are scores toward the most well-known body styles, which implies the car and wagon. In this age, those models have grown 1.7 inches longer than in the past model, and the wheelbase has been extended by 2.6 inches, to 115.7 grolls taking all things together. In the driver's seat, the E-Class presents somewhat additional around the knees and in headroom. Multi-movable seats can be cooled and warmed and rubbed, or exchanged up for genuine, vigorously reinforced seats in AMG releases. Mercedes offers warm control not only for the seats, incidentally, the reassure and armrests get warmed alongside the directing wheel, so there's little reason for cool